guys, we're back again with another episode of Make It Awesome. Today we're going to try something that's not a craft, and what are we going to make?
Mug pizzas.
Ooh, let's do it. So for mug pizzas, you need a mug that's on the larger side. You need a tube of biscuits. You need some tomato sauce or whatever type of sauce you want, some cheese, and then you can add whatever toppings. So to start out, we take the biscuit and we place it in the bottom of the mug, making sure to spread it all over the whole bottom, like that. And then we take it and we put it in the microwave, and we microwave for 30 seconds. Now that our 30 seconds has passed, we're going to take the biscuit out in the mug, and you'll see it's bubbled up a little bit. What we do is we press it a little more, but it should be mostly cooked. Now we're going to add some pizza sauce. David, you want to take about a spoonful and put it on top of the biscuit?
Yeah.
Cool. Good job. Do you want more cheese or less cheese, or more sauce or less sauce than that?
That's fine.
Okay. You can add more sauce if you'd like, but Dave likes not too much. So we added the sauce, leaving a little room for the crust. And now we put whatever seasonings or cheese we want on top. Do you want to do the cheese too?
Yes.
Okay.
Thank you.
And in this recipe, it's best to use kind of a lot of cheese because the biscuit is so thick. Do you want to add a little more, Ben?
Yeah.
Okay, let's do that.
Thank you.
And now we are going to put it in the microwave for another 30 seconds. Hey,
Yeah.
why did the mushroom always get invited to pizza parties?
I don't know.
Because he was a fun guy. Do you want to hear another pizza joke?
Sure.
Nah, it's too cheesy. Is pizza your favorite food?
I love ya.
It's mine too. I really love it. And when you take it out, you will have a fully cooked mug pizza. When it comes out, it's extremely hot, so I would let it sit for a few minutes before removing it from the cup. But we now have a pizza that we can eat, and it only took 1 minute and 30 seconds from start to finish. Thanks for joining us.